So a really quick outfit for the day because we're literally just walking out the door. I'm not wearing anything overly exciting. It's a very, very casual, comfy outfit, but I haven't featured this coat in an outfit yet and I wanted to. So my coat is from Romwe and I've been looking for something like this for a really, really long time, and I found it and I absolutely love it. It's really warm and it's a really lovely shade of green, and you've got the kind of fleece lining inside which makes it extra cozy. Then my scarf is from Primark. I love this. I got this a couple of years ago and I've worn it to death. My top is just from Zara and my jeans were from Gap. My shoes are just Converse style shoes. I got these from kind of like an outlet store, but you can get these pretty much anywhere. And my handbag is the eBay bag that I talked about in a previous video. I'll try and link the seller down below for that. My face is really minimal makeup and my nails are Rimmel's Pompous. It's just a kind of nice shimmery purple colour, but I've got minimal makeup on and it's not very exciting because I'm just going to do the weekly food shop. So yeah, that's what I wear to do my food shopping, in case that was interesting for anyone. But I'll try and link everything down below and I'll see you next time. Bye.